guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while with this channel and it actually kind of feels weird talking to a camera. It's been a very long time I did this. What I really want to talk about is this new challenge that I want to do. As you all know, it's the second half of the year now. January to June is over. So now we're in July. So July to December, I want to do this challenge where I sew every week till December. Honestly, I'm just hoping I'm able to do this because I really want to do it. I think I posted about my fashion school journey like a few years ago. I think that was 3 years ago, yeah. But the thing was, after fashion school, I did not do my graduation. I've not done it. I'm still going to do it, but I've not been really sewing. I started sewing like just this year, like early this year, and it's been going good. But you know, when you have a skill that you're not using that particular skill, and you tend to like how will I put it? Like that skill, you know, like you don't get perfect with that skill anymore. Yeah, I'm at that situation right now. Fine, my sewing is good, but it's not at the level that I want it yet. So what I want to do now is try to practice. Yes, I want to practice. I want to do a whole lot of practice on my own, because if I say let me go for an upgrade, it's going to be very expensive. So instead of me doing that, I want to do it myself, like, you know, improve my skills myself. So, and how that is going to, this is going to help me. I'm going to be sewing every week, new style every week. But for this week, I'm doing something very simple. I'm going to put the inspiration on the screen here so you guys can see. I'm going to be sewing cottage skirt. The fabric, I'm using this gorgeous crepe fabric. I love the color. I have 4 yards of fabrics, but I'm sure I'm not going to use everything. So my length is 38. I'm tall, I know. My length is 38. I'm about to cut the skirt now, and like I said, this is the fabric that I'll be using, and we're cutting 3 steps. So for the first step of the skirt, I'm going to use my hip measurement times 1.5, and my hip is 40, so times 1.5, that's going to give me 60 inches. So I'm going to measure this. This should be 60 inches actually. Yeah, it is. This is 30 inches. 30 inches. I'm not going to add any allowance. We just leave it like that. For this first step, I'm going to be using 11 inches. I think I showed you guys. Yeah, let me show you again. So the first step, this one, I'm going to be using 11 inches plus 1 inch sewing allowance. That will give me 12. And then the second step, I'm going to be using 13 inches, so plus 1 inch for sewing allowance, that will give me 14. And then the last one is going to be 14 inches plus 1 inch, that will give me 15 inches. So the first one that I'm cutting will be 12 inches. This is a 12 inches. I did not add my band to this. My band is going to be 1.5. I'm going to leave it like that. I like my skirt to be very long, so I'm just going to leave it like that. But if you don't like your skirt long, please make sure to remove that band before you do your calculation. So I'm going to go ahead to cut this off camera. and I'll come back to show you. So this is my skirt. That's the first step, the second one, and then the third one. That one over there is the band. And I'm going to go over to the sewing machine now to join. You can see I'm a very tall person. So I'm going to go over to the sewing machine and to join everything, do the gathers, and show you guys the final result. Hi guys, so this is the skirt so far. I've added two of the steps, so it's remaining the last one, and I'm actually liking it. I like the fullness. You can see this piece is not too full, but this one is a bit fuller than this one, so it's giving me what I want so far. So I'm going to go ahead now to join the last one, and we'll be done with the skirt. Let me just turn around for you guys to see. So let me go join the last one and I'll come back to show you. I'm done with the skirt, and this is what it looks like. Let me give you guys the basis to say, see. I really love it. Like, I so much love the skirt. It's giving me what I want, so this is perfect. So that's it for week 1, cottage skirt. Let me bring the camera down so you guys can see. This is it, the full look, and it's really full. Like, I love it. I love it so much. I love this. It's really pretty. The length is perfect. The size is also perfect. That's it for week 1. Next week, I'm also going to come up with another style. I don't know what I want to make next week, but I'll come up with something. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to this channel, and yeah, follow me, subscribe, like my video, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.